Hello everyone, it's still your favorite guy, Obin Niger for aka Obi Creators. Right now, today I'll be talking about Axpire token, a great project. I'll be looking at the website, its white paper, its benefits, and its great partnership, and where you can also get Axpire token. That's if you want to buy. Okay, first of all, let's go to the official website, which is www aspire.com. Okay. If you're listening to the website, enable to check the green lock. That's for security. Okay. We are in now. This is the home page of Axpire token. Info@axpire.com. That's if you wanna get any feedback or inquiry about Axpire, you email this email address. Then this is their social media link. Then this is the language the white paper is interpreted and all that. Okay, yeah. This is the home page. The submenu is just about us. That's about Axpire, the resources, key management, partnership, team, advisors, clients, news, and contact. Okay. First of all, what is Axpire? Okay, let's click on about us. Axpire has launched its latest technology innovation in the fund administration service space. Axpire will initially serve to help assets and fund administrators and managers at bank, hedge funds, private equity firms, and others to deal with resources and close processes of allocating and apportioning outside vendors' costs to each fund or split of fund as it's appropriately based on the day. Okay. That's just what Axpire is all about. Yeah, the key benefits of Axpire is number one, removal of human manual processes. Yeah, Axpire also helps to remove human manual processes, replace PDF and Excel file with digital workflows. Yeah, ensure minimal touches in the process, reduce cost of operational management and all that. Okay, this is the resources now. This is the white paper. This is this case study light paper. But let's go to the white paper and see what they have for us. Okay, yeah, this is the Axpire white paper. 24 pages in total. This is the company address. This is the website link. This is the email and this is the customer care line. Yeah, this is the outline, our vision, token, blah blah blah, how to participate, token legal milestones, sources and uses. But today I want you guys to look at the partnership. Asking Axpire is actively involved in a number of core partnerships, including R3 and Microsoft giant. R3 is an enterprise software company focused on building a proprietary blockchain-inspired platform. Koda has been an official partner of R3 since November 2017. Yeah, this is just one of their partnership. They also have a partnership with Ethos, bountyox, and delivery. Key benefits of Axpire: a removal of manual processes through machine learning, replace paper, PDF, and spreadsheets and all that. Yeah, this is the much more important market opportunity of Axpire in the next 2-3 years. Where will Axpire be? Yeah, this is just the key explanation. Axpire currently operates in a number of markets. The enterprise software market stands at $351 billion. Whoa! And we play into the fintech, RegTech, and the enterprise resourcing planning (ERP) network area of that market. The AI market in fintech is expected to grow from 1.3 billion in 2007 to 7.3 billion by 2022. Whoa. That means expectation of Axpire in 2022 will be so high. Okay, after that, let's go to where you can buy you can buy and trade Axpire. Yeah. Okay, this is CoinMarketCap. You visit coinmarketcap.com, then you go to Axpire, you go to search, you type for Axpire. Yeah, this is it. You click on it. Yeah, this is the token price here. This is the token price. One token of Axpire is worth $0.056536. It ranked 445 in CoinMarketCap. It has a total market cap of 14 million plus. Then a daily 24 hours volume of $115,000. Yeah, this is the chart. This is the uptrend and downtrend of Axpire so far. Okay, let's go to the market. That's where you can buy and sell. Okay, Axpire is listed on KuCoin. It's BTC and ETH. Yeah, you can just click on this, then it will take you to KuCoin websites where you can buy Axpire. Yeah, it's loading. While we wait for it to load, let's just go and look at the team. That's the team behind Axpire token. Yeah, this is the CEO of Axpire token, Gary R. Mayen. Then this is the program director, Philip Knight. Then this is the director, Siva Kumar Jayabalan. Then this is their partners. Like I said earlier, Ethos. Whoa, like fucking big. Ethos. Whoa, seriously. Hydro, Kotoba, Delivery, bountyox, and many more. Yeah, this is also part of their team too. Dove Product Led, Henry, Sakan, and many more. Then this is their massive advisory board made out of so many people. This is the main man here, Roger Fair, the CEO of Bitcoin.com. That's they refer to him as Bitcoin Jesus and all that. And this is his partner too in the game, and many more. So these are just the advisory team of the big ways in the crypto company. So you might want filling your bag with Axpire and other clients, of which Axpire have worked with Coca-Cola, Holland, Intel, IBM. Majorly Axpire is a company that has been generating revenue even before they got into cryptocurrency. Yeah, this is their roadmap: K1, K2, K3, K4, K1 2019, K2 2019, and all that. Okay, let's go back to KuCoin. Okay, yeah, this is the official KuCoin website, and this is the Axpire to BTC trade link for KuCoin. Okay, you can just I'm not logged in yet because I've not logged in. Okay, let me just show you guys this this price in red is the rate people wants to dump or sell their Axpire. Then this one in green is the rate people wants to buy their Axpire. Okay, so you can just easily buy from KuCoin or from BTC or from Ether. Okay guys, I think my investment advice for Axpire is currently I think it's undervalued. Yeah, I think it's undervalued for now, because according to the historical data here, a month 2 weeks ago, Axpire is worth 50% plus of what it's worth today. So I would advise you guys to just buy a lot of Axpire token and look forth for a greater future. Okay, I think that's all about Axpire. You can visit their website, axpire.io. You can download their white paper. You can check everything you want to know about the token metrics on CoinMarketCap. you can buy and sell on KuCoin, it's BTC and EDS. Okay, I want to wish everyone. I have a big bag, like a big bag of Axpire token, right in my N token wallet, and I also want to advise everyone who is looking forward to making profits or for a coin to hold for long term to go and buy Axpire token. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.